Today we are starting with hemodialysis, which is the last topic of this chapter. It is a way of replacing some of the functions of our kidney. If our kidney is failed, by using a machine, blood is filtered and cleaned, which reaches to our body again. Blood is pumped out of our body to the machine, where it is passed through a series of tiny tubes in an artificial kidney or dialyzer. Here, an artificial kidney, known as hemodialyzer, it used to remove waste and electrolytes from the body. For filtering and purifying the blood in the body, a vascular access is created surgically to pass a maximum quantity of blood into the hemodialyzer. In a long-term dialysis treatment, two types of vascular access are developed, known as arteriovenous fistula. In this vascular access, a connection is made among an artery, a vein and an AV graft. AV means arteriovenous fistula graft. The AV graft is actually a looped tube. In some situation, a catheter means tube, may be introduced into the large vein in the neck also. The treatment process requires 3 to 5 hours in one session, at least 3 days in a week. The length of the dialysis depends on the quantity of the toxic substance in the body and body size. As you can see on the screen, you can see from here impure blood is taken out. It receives here, where it will filter all the impurities, then purified blood. Again from here it reaches to different organs of the body. This is known as dialysis. Now, excretion in plants. Plants use completely different strategies for excretion than those of animals. Oxygen itself can be thought of as a waste product generated during photosynthesis. They can get rid of excess water by transpiration. For those waste, plants use the fact that many of their tissues consist of dead cells and that they can even lose some parts such as leaves also. Many plant waste products are stored in cellular vacuoles. Waste products may be stored in leaves that fall off. Other waste products are stored as resins and gums, and especially in the old xylem. Plant also excretes some waste substances into the soil around them. You can see this is excretion. Actually it is transpiration, that is the exchange of the gases. At this time, droplets of water, they come on the surface of the leaf, which is known as excretion also. Today, whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.